Well, I'm here. Going to town on that thing. They sell Kim Kardashian skidders here. First time I've ever driven this thing. A dog or wolf? She's pretty faded and oxidized. Looking a little rough. Could use some TLC. Well, I thought I was taking a hyperlapse. This loader used to be beautiful orange. Get some kind of a covering on this. The sun is shining off it just right, so it looks like it has a nice shine to it while it's still wet. I assume you can tell the difference. I'm close to being done sanding with the orange. I'm moving around to the last side. I still have to do the top, but hey, don't laugh. You see this? I'm gonna try and finish painting this today because it's above freezing today. I need another coat there, another coat on this half, and the top. I suppose the front of the engine compartment too. Yep, gonna try and paint this today, so I gotta sweep it off. Snow messes with your paint. Did you know that? Yellow snow really well, never mind. I know I'm crazy. I know I'm goofy. Everybody knows that. Okay, I swept it off. I got her running. Hopefully that'll give enough heat to get this paint to stick. I know you think it's crazy that I'm going to put away the sandblaster for the year, but I think I'm going to. We're running out of paint weather. Isn't that right, girl? Yeah, that's right. So it's wiped down. Tape, 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 tape. Let's start painting. No, those aren't snowflakes in my video. Nobody would paint in the snow, would they? As you can probably see in this video, it's snowing. I just painted the vertical parts. That's all I got left. This does not have the first coat on it. Everything else has 2 coats, or at least 1. This only has 1. Top of that doesn't have a coat, and that doesn't either. Well, we'll have to call her a day on the painting, huh? Well, it's getting orange. Man, I hate cleaning up the gun. I just put it away. Ah, the sun's trying to come out to help dry this paint. It's snowing. Well, I think this painting in the in the snowstorm, it turned out pretty well. Let's see, I put my hand on it. Yeah, it's dry or frozen. Does paint freeze? See that? It's 23 degrees. It was 10 above this morning. You see that paint doesn't freeze. It's not water. I don't know. Just thought I'd show you that. Well, what am I making here? That's to be determined, though. Well, the then end cap on. So I just tacked that on there. So to hold that up there while I tack that in place. Okay, so this is the butt plate on the slasher behind the Serco 300. And I added this thing because the plate kept breaking. Well, it kept cracking, and he ran it that way for years. It would just crack, but it never really hurt anything. But thought I better do something. make it look better. So when I say bang board butt plate, it's that thing that pivots this way to straighten out the trees so the slasher saw can cut them off. I guess I threw a little black at it at the bucket there, or grapple. A little bit on the carrier here. Sprayed a little on that. Those cylinders. Here's another angle of me. What I sprayed, a little black. The old bang board I worked on this morning, sprayed that. Trying to make it look a little more black. Yeah, she's orange, black, and sort of white up there. So I did a little sanding on the cab here. You can see it needs some work. There's a story behind that. I dropped a tree on it. Alright, got this at the top of the roof sanded. No, not the top of that roof. The top of this roof. Well, here goes nothing. Well, it's black. Truck bed. I did a little test on the white. Is it that bad that I gotta point it out? It's very speckled. But this white sprays everywhere. I'm taking a rag with wax and grease remover and wiping off the windows and the weather stripping around them. Every time I get a little overspray on them. I think it's cheating. It's easier than trying to tape everything off. And I definitely got overspray on the roof, but I'm going to go back over that eventually. She's a little thin, but I got to keep it thin because it's trying to run on me bad. Well, the cab does look whiter. The overspray up on the cap there. I got to go over that again eventually. But yeah, just had a salesman stop a little bit ago, and he asked me if this was a brand new loader. I wish. Sanded a little bit on the side of the cab. You can see how bad it is in spots. That's a before. Bottom right corner of the cab window, just trying to make stuff like that look better. So I sanded a bunch on it. Well, let's try to put some paint on it. Well, this certainly embarrasses me. I tried something. It's kind of working, but not really. From a distance, it probably looks okay, but if you zoom in, I actually brushed. Let's get it to focus. I brushed, and you can see where it stops right there. But I guess what it does, it kind of gives you an idea of what it should look like. It looks better at a glance. At 60 miles an hour from 300 yards away, it definitely looks better. From here, you can't even tell. Well, it's whiter. That's all I'll say. Gives an idea what it should look like anyway. So I brushed some of the right paint on there, and then I rattle canned a little Rust-Oleum gloss orange on top of it. What do you think of that cab? It's white, huh? Totally different color schemes on these ones. Can't even see the Lemco back there. I kind of painted that the John Deere scheme too.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Fire Captain Tom says, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Do it again.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
This is our newest slasher. This is Handfab's design. And I got some pretty stout metal on here, don't they? Some 4x4s. Ooh, 3/4 plate. Well, no, that's probably inch plates up there. 3/8 going across. 2 cylinders. Yeah, that's a little different design. Must be doing all right. I don't see any cracks.